In a temple carved from marble light, where whispers clung to silver air, she walked once crowned in mortal grace, a fearless soul, a vacant stare. Her name was soft on sacred lips, a priestess bound to flame and stone, to Athena's halls of quiet vows, a life of duty, not her own. But gods don't bend and gods don't break, they take and take and take. And the sea came crashing through the sky, no mercy in its cry, and no one heard her call. She paid for what she didn't do, turned myth into a truth. Now she's the monster they recall. Oh, marble turns to ruin, oh, beauty turns to blame. Not all who fall are guilty, not all deserve the shame. The temple shook with salt and wrath, the ocean clawed at sacred ground, and when the silence finally came, it left no justice to be found. For she, not he, was cast in stone, a punishment she never chose. Athena's gaze turned cold as night and stole the life she used to know. A curse instead of truth or grace, a god's mistake, her fate. And the sea came crashing through the sky, no mercy in its cry, and no one heard her call. She paid for what she didn't do, turned myth into a truth. Now she's the monster they recall. Oh, marble turns to ruin, oh, beauty turns to blame. Not all who fall are guilty, not all deserve the shame. And in her eyes the fire remains, a memory beneath the chains of who she was before the lies, before they carved her into pain. So speak her name, but speak it true, not monster, but betrayed.